Hey, we're trying to get a fly. See how this works out. She's trying to get a fly with a crayon.
Let's go.
Please scare me. Oh.
Come on. Look at it all die. He's going, yeah.
Hey, you know there's a fly up right there too, right?
Where?
Like right there. There's one right there.
Yes.
You got one out of two. The other one's just mocking you, Amber.
Where'd he go?
Over there.
Come on. Yes, it's too far.
Oh my God.
Don't fall on the bird. Oh, I got green. Oh, shit. Hey, I thought this was a pet, not actual green. This is supposed to be a pet. How did you get green up there?
The fly is way over there.
If you kill it, I'm getting free. That's all this work I'm doing.
It's like right around each other.
What did you call that?
The fucking fly beast.
Ninja fly, where are you?
In Marley's cage. There it is. No, right outside, 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 inside.
What? Giant fly. Hey, don't fight me, bird. I'm trying to kill the fly. Oh, what
We're
now?
trying to kill
What fly?
and we got, if you guys are gonna be coming over tomorrow, we got
Oh,
funny ass
sucker!
oh shit to show you.
It's right up there.
Here.
What?
It's way over here.
Where is it?
Now,
Oh my God.
she's trying to kill flies and
It's up there. Everyone, right there! Crikey, mace. It's up in the wood.
oh shit,